No, it's on the move.
What's it on the move?
I know it is. I'm trying to say I'll be the son. How you let it up?
West Kaizer Chiefs had the same point as the best performing Orlando Pirates. that says a lot. The West Kaizer Chiefs had the same points as the best performing Orlando Pirates. West.
Yes. Sanmonani, Dumelang, Absheni, back again, back with another video. Please, before you watch more of this video, please subscribe to your boy, like the video, comment down below all the shenanigans. Let's talk about it. Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, hello. That's how the winners speak every time we win our away games. Orlando Pirates 3. Yes, people, Orlando Pirates 3. Golden Arrows 1. Banter aside, we won the game. Back at number 2. As I said, Bafetu, we are only 2 games behind the Sundowns. We win those 2 games, we are top of the league. So let's talk about the game, Bafetu. 3 goals, beautiful goals. Ndaba, the man of the match, scored the first goal. The fact that he started today, I wasn't surprised because I knew from the lineup that I saw Guti is saving some players for a Carling Black level semi-final. He came here weekend, Bafetu. Hoto not in the team, Umbogazi not in the team. It was more of like reshuffling, freshness. You've got the squad. 70 squad sonke. Then the 2 goals from the super sub. The new super sub, it's not a police anymore. It's Unyalela Mbutuma Wafetu. You'll call it Mbutuma Wafetu. He's paid his debt. Oskhafile iskoloto sake of losing their penalty shootout. He missed the crucial one, Bafetu. Mbutuma missed the crucial one. Oskhafile is all Bafetu. With 2 goals that were crucial, Bafetu. Arrows had just equalized. Mbutuma, I think, was 5 minutes into the game. Then he scores the second goal. Then he finishes off with the 3rd goal. Brilliant from Mama Subs, from the starting lineup. Honestly speaking, bengithukile kule game le. Manqoba Bafetu. Manqoba uyayinqoba ibhola. Udlala ibhola liphansi. Le ndaba yabo Durban City lebo tum. Abo Orbit College tum. Play the ball on the ground, on the floor. Play it nice, then you will score brilliant goals. The goal that they scored, Bafetu, that was a brilliant goal. But I'm happy for the Pirates. We won. Back at number 2. Laba basinatural nje kade basiminyele kabuhlungu nje. Because as soon as Arrows equalized, they went outside and they celebrated. Kanti 2 minutes later, 90 seconds later, we scored the second goal. And they came back, but really Pirates. Niko mnandi nina. Full sack. Kaizer Chiefs. Ngoba nishaye Orbit College 4-1. Senizibona ukuthi you are in our level. You are not on our level. I hear people saying this is the best Orlando Pirates team. I hear people saying that is the worst Kaizer Chiefs team. This is the best version of Kaizer Chiefs in Ibonile Nina. Makos, supporters, this is the best version, let's be honest. Ever since you won the league, go shoot Baxter. This is the best version of Kaizer Chiefs, not version of Kaizer Chiefs. Nakona I can use that word. This is the best virgin. Ningama virgin because ngiyaqala ukubona le vision ye Kaizer Chiefs. Ikelana ukukhuluma kakhulu. Pirates are doing their own ish. Kaizer Chiefs are not competition bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs. You are not on my level. You are not on my level. Nyawezwa but sibuyile. 2 games you've won this month. You've boqala ukuwina ama games back to back since August. Nizositshela ngane tenisitshela yona amakhosi. Get away. Pirates, the focus now is on the cup Saturday, Carling Black Label Cup. But it's Itawa bafethu. I don't care. I rather have 2 cups now. 2 cups. No more business Tawa. I rather have 2 cups right now. Rather than 0. Than this. I rather have 2 cups. No more business Tawa. Orlando Pirates at the end of the day. That's what I do. I win trophies. I win cups. Ndaba. Brilliant. That's what I want. Fagi competition, fagi pressure kuhoto. Bafethu. Masindi na Matic. Masindi quiet game. Had a quiet game. Katanga ateki kakhulu Masindi bafethu. Nibonile na I don't know if Arrows were pressing that high but Masindi na Matic bakatanga yake game. I don't know how he lasted 90 minutes but he did. We won the game. Utito off the bench. That's what I want from you, Tito. Off the bench. Yes, but you are not the same. You are not the same player. Yes. Clearly you are not the same player. So shy threats njengathi. So vusi threats wena. Ufuna ukuzibona, ufuna bakubona abantu. Sinandaba Tito. As long as you come off the bench and do that, I'm happy. Really Mufokeng. Class is permanent. 21 years old. Class is permanent bafethu. That ball for Mbuthuma. No Mbuthuma naye. 1. Kwalala 1. What keeper nawe? Walala naye. Goal. That goal bafethu. The 3rd goal. Mufokeng, as I say, class is permanent. Form is temporary. He's been out for a month. Then he comes back and he does that. Scoop. Then Mbuthuma lalisa player walalisa no goalkeeper. Goal. 3rd goal. Finish. Out. Arrows are dead. Arrows benithukele bafethu but izolo something I saw and that we are good at what we are doing. Orlando Pirates are good at what we are doing. Those 2 games we lost, first 2 games we shouldn't have lost bafethu. We shouldn't have lost those 2 games. For me, Marumo is Kukun. Maybe we are top right now. But as long as we go like this, bafethu, sizobona ukuthi kuyenzakalani. Mamelodi Sundowns are still top, 3 points ahead of us. We are second, 2 games behind. We win our 2 games, we are 3 points ahead. 3 points ahead. I don't know if it's gonna happen anytime soon because international akudlalwa league game this weekend. After this weekend, I'm an international break. Then we're gonna come back after the international break. Then after my international, I think there will be games as azodlalwa. Then December it's AFCON bafethu. So sizobona kuyenzakalani. Orlando Pirates 3, Golden Arrows 1. Take that and run away with it. Bafethu, I'm out. Please don't forget, subscribe to your boy, like the video, comment down below. Ningasabi bafethu. I'm out bafethu. Peace.